Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing and try-on of the Hermes Oran Sandal. I'm going to be showing you a few different outfit options that I've styled with the sandal, and I'm also going to go ahead and talk you through my experience currently shopping in the boutique in 2021 and let you know my thoughts of the sandal. And don't forget to wait till the end when I discuss how delicate this shoe is just walking around the house. So if you're interested, then go ahead and keep on watching. So before I get into the outfits and the styling parts of the video, I'm first going to go over the unboxing. It of course comes in a beautiful Hermes orange bag, and inside of the bag you will have your box beautifully packaged with a nice ribbon, and then once you remove the ribbon, you'll open up and get the two shoes individually packaged in their nice little dust bags. Once you open up each dust bag, it'll reveal the beautiful Oran sandal. The color that I purchased was in the gold shade, and they are just absolutely stunning. I purchased mine in a size 40, and I am usually a size 9 in women, and I have a very narrow foot. The current price for the sandal is $630 US, and depending on where you purchase it from, the tax will differ. Currently, you can purchase these online. They are in stock, but I decided to go into the boutique on Rodeo Drive, which you do need to book a prior appointment. You can't just walk in. They are not accepting any walk-in appointments. Once in store, I was able to try on the shoe and find a size that worked best for me. I decided the size 40 was best. I did try on the 39.5 as well, and my heel hit the back just a little bit too snugly. The reason why I even attempted to try on a size that is half a size smaller than what I intended I would purchase was because as you wear these shoes over time, the leather strap is going to stretch just a little bit, so I wanted to see if I could get away with half a size down, but the actual shoe bed was too short for my foot, and the size 40 wasn't too loose or anything, especially with my foot being narrow. These sandals are the perfect staple in anyone's wardrobe. I think that they are classic, they are timeless, they go with everything, especially in brown. Brown matches your lighter neutral colors or pops of color, and it also works with blacks, darker colors as well. If I went with a black sandal, I feel like black can look a little bit too in your face when you're wearing a lighter look, like a white shirt, light denim shorts, something more beachy vacation, whereas the brown will kind of work seamlessly through whatever you want to pair it with. Before I conclude this video, I did want to just briefly touch on how delicate this shoe is. I only wore this shoe walking around my house as I was trying on outfits, and the bottom sole of the shoe is already pretty marked up. So I am very curious to see what happens after just one wear outside. So if you are planning on trying them on and potentially reselling them, I definitely do not recommend walking around with them on hardwood floor, because that's what I did, and they are pretty marked up already, and they are no longer in resellable or return, I don't even know if Hermes does returns, but condition. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and hopefully I will see you in a future one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.